So let's talk about the 7 causes of a metallic taste in your mouth. What could it be? Number 1, let's say you're on chemotherapy. That will do it because of all the chemicals in your body. Number 2, medications, especially antibiotics. There's so many different chemicals in medication, and that's usually the elephant in the room. If you're taking a lot of medications and you have this metallic taste, chances are it's the medications. Number 3, pregnancy, and I'll tell you why in a minute. All right, number 4, synthetic vitamins, okay? When you buy a vitamin from a drugstore, not a health food store, but a drugstore, chances are they're going to be synthetic. Like 90% of all vitamins out there are made synthetically. So you have the synthetic version of a vitamin, and then you have the minerals, which are not coming from actual food. They're called elemental. And when you take those, you can actually have a metallic taste in your mouth. I don't recommend synthetic vitamins unless you're doing some short-term cleanse or detox for various purposes. Number 5, you have too many heavy metals from certain maybe fish that you're consuming. Shark, swordfish, marlin, and tuna are all high in heavy metals like mercury, cadmium, things like that. Now, I know some of you are going, wait a second, I consume tuna. Make sure you do the light tuna skipjack, okay? Not the albacore in the can, okay? Be better off doing the salmon in the can, but tuna has 3 times the mercury as some of the other fish. Now, there is mercury in other fish, even like salmon, but these other fish are high in selenium. And selenium is part of an enzyme to help detoxify mercury and other heavy metals. So selenium is a very vital mineral in keeping these heavy metals at bay. Certain cookware that you're using, aluminum pans, let's say, for example, you're cooking in iron skillets, I would recommend reevaluate what you cook in and make sure it doesn't have something that is harmful. Tap water is loaded with a lot of chemicals, not just chlorine and fluoride, but heavy metals, as well as other chemicals and even medications. Okay, so get a good filter to actually get rid of that stuff. Pesticides, because you're not consuming organic food, you're just doing regular food that has pesticides, insecticides, and those are going to be loaded with chemicals that actually can get in your body and you can actually taste them. However, the biggest reason for a metallic taste in your mouth is a zinc deficiency. Now, if you're severely deficient in zinc, you're going to lose all your taste, okay, and smell. But if you have a marginal or subclinical deficiency of zinc, you can really alter your taste to the point where you're tasting a metallic taste. And also, chemotherapy depletes your zinc. Certain medications chelate or block the zinc. And pregnancy as well. So a lot of times, if a woman is pregnant and she's not eating the right foods, she's going to be deficient in certain things because the demand from the fetus is pulling all these nutrients out. So it's very easy to become deficient if she's not consuming the right foods or she's consuming too many carbohydrates or refined sugars. She needs to consume seafood. Very, very important. Now, if you want more information on how to get more zinc in your body, as far as the foods, I put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.